Hello South Africa. N14 accident, 13 injured, 3 killed including 1-year-old child. Various medical services responded to the scene of serious motor vehicle accident on the N14 in the Centurion area on Thursday, December 22, 2022. Emer-G-Med paramedics and other services responded to a serious motor vehicle collision on the N14 at approximately 8:30. When paramedics arrived on the scene, they were met with complete chaos. The twisted frame of a double-cab bakkie rested on its roof across the width of the roadway. Following the establishment of an on-site triage, it was discovered that 13 of the car's occupants had had injuries. Their injuries ranged from minor to fatal. A 1-year-old, a 24-year-old woman, and a 12-year-old boy were declared dead when paramedics arrived. 2 infants were discovered to be in a serious state, requiring advanced life support to stabilize them. They were then airlifted to specialized facilities for immediate definitive care. Before being transported by ambulances to other hospitals for additional care, 11 additional patients were treated and stabilized on the scene. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.